Alright, we will start this, we call the INSAITCoach basketball app. So now we start the test. And this is the coach app, so we will select the this organization. The organization here is defined as classes. So we select this class. Now we start the testing, the test. So we had several tests. For the basketball, we select all these tests. Okay. All right, now we initiate the test set. So this set will include all these tests. Here, the navigation here, you can scroll between the tests. All right. Now we need to activate our balls. So here we have the 3 balls. So we already activate the 2 balls. So we dribble the 3 balls. So now the app can recognize the 3 balls. So this will be put into our ball pool. So here, you will indicate the ball pool has the 3 balls available here. Okay, and on the left side here you have the student list. So for here we select the first 3 testers. These are 3 students, and you have to assign the balls to them. And the assignment is randomly assigned, so this will randomly allocate to each student you select. So here will be the first student will pick up the ball number 2, and this is the ball number 4, and this is the third ball. Okay, so now we can start the test. Okay, so this test is dribbling. So you see this, we had one tester here and dribble the 3 balls. You can dribble the 3 balls at the same time. 你可以3个同时打吗？ Okay, this will count down the 30 seconds, so end these sessions. Then here you can look up their scores. This previous test, the students, you said you will display their scores. So this one is 13 and this one 16. Okay, and then you can continue the next batch. The next selected students to use the ball, and the ball will assign to them. Then they will pick up the ball and then start the test. And this test is still the dribbling for 30 seconds. Okay, 开始. Okay, then we start. Okay, so when the countdown stops, and the session is ended, and you see the score. You can check out the scores here. Okay, and then so on. You can continue the following. You can finish the rest of the testers in the left, and we still have the 4 to testers to be performed. But we don't want to continue. But we can switch to the other test. The same one we will select. Okay. All these tests are dribblings. Or this one. This one is a circling. Okay, we will test the circling test. So I select the students in the left list. So the students will assign the ball. Then when they pick out the ball, then you will start the test. Okay, 这是绕球。You see, the score is corresponding to their performing. Okay, the countdown now stops, so this session ended. Alright, then for this test set, I select the 8th test, but I don't want to finish them. I can select finish here. I can manually finish them. Not necessary to perform all the tasks and also including all the students in your list. So now I finished all these tests. Then this pop-up window will show you are you continue to generate the report? And I select yes. Okay, so the report is generated and also uploaded to the cloud successfully. So you can look up the report. And here is sort. All these records will be sorted by the order of the latest time. So I'm select this one. So there are 6 testers participate in this test. So but we only perform the 2 tests. One is the dribbling, the first column, and the other is circling, the 5th column. So this will show their scores. So this is the summary of their scores in this report. Okay. And from the main page, you can select the records. You can check out the records. So you go into this page, and you can sort them by the time, and also filter them by the classes. Yeah. Okay. All right. This basically is all the functions, the features in this coach app.